Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be trying out some new makeup. Some are new to me, some are fairly new to the market. If you want to see how I achieve this look and the makeup products that I used, keep on watching. Please like the video, comment your thoughts and subscribe to my channel to see more content. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with priming my face. We're using this Sheglam Birthday Skin primer. Okay, so the new products that I have today, the Maybelline Lifter Sticks. I have the shade 65 and it is a neutral shade and it falls under the deep category, I believe. And then next up is this NYX Buttermelt blush. NYX finally came back to South Africa, so finally get a chance to try their products, although they didn't bring back the whole range, just the new releases. I have the shade 09 Feeding Butter. That's what that looks like. Really nice terracotta shade. Also have this Essence Soft Touch Butter Bronzer. Looks very deep. I have the darkest shade, shade 40. That's what that looks like. Very deep. Looks like it'll be nice and warm too. And I also got this Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss. The shade is 105 Flower Blossom. So I'm gonna start off with this Maybelline Lifter Sticks. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna start off applying. Okay. So it's not as creamy as the Essence one. I don't know if you can see, but it's tugging my skin a little bit. And it's like, I feel like it's like a hair, like a hair darker than me. But I don't know. It still looks like it'll work, but let's blend. Okay, it's matching my hyperpigmentation, like around my mouth, but then the other areas of my face, it's a little bit darker. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but I don't know, I can't see anything. Is anything happening? Does it look like I applied any? I don't know. I can't see anything. Yo, I don't know. Thank goodness I bought this on sale because, girl. Okay, I think now I'm seeing some form of uniformity on my face. So this is it, fully applied. Remember, I used 2 layers. The first layer really gave nothing, and then the second layer gave me what we have right now. It's a nice natural finish. It's not like matte or glowy. The lifter sticks can also be used as a concealer, bronzer, foundation. Forgot to mention that. It's a multi-purpose stick basically. All over all the things. Okay, this under eye looks very bright. It's translating much brighter on camera than in real life. I don't know why. Okay, it's giving some nice warmth, and it's not that dark actually. So really, wow, this is really nice actually. Very, very nice. Okay, nice. Put some more. And it smells like coconut. Wow, I like how it's giving a nice warmth to the face. Very nice. I've watched a couple of videos on this blush and the girls are saying it's very pigmented, so I'm just gonna go in very, very lightly. Oh, and it has some kick up there. It does have kick up, so be careful with that. Dust off. Oh. Okay. Oh. Very shimmery. Very, very shimmery. Okay. Okay. It looks pretty though, I'm not gonna lie. Looks very, very pretty. Okay, so I feel like the lifter sticks is looking more dewy than it did in the beginning. So I'm just gonna powder my face using this Essence Mattifying Compact Powder. But before I do, this is what it looks like unpowdered. And the primer that I use is not necessarily a glowy primer, it's just hydrating. It's basically like a moisturizer, your face moisturizer. Okay. Yeah, definitely calm that down a little bit. Okay, so the lip contour is going to be using this Essence 8 Hour Matte Lip Liner. I'm going to use the shade 11 Chestnut. And then this Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss, the shade 105 Flower Blossom. It's like a milky pink. Okay. That was scary. Thank goodness for brown lip liner, okay? That's all I have to say. So let's talk about these products that I tried. So starting off with this lifter sticks, the Maybelline lifter sticks. So this product it is 6 grams of product and it has a shelf life of 24 months. So far it's looking good. Remember that I powdered down with the the Essence face powder because it was starting to look a little bit more dewy than it did in the beginning, and it looks fine. It hasn't creased in my smile lines yet, and I've been yapping this whole time. Usually something would have happened like with creasing and stuff. So far it looks fine. I haven't done a wear test on this. This is purely first impressions, but so far it looks fine. Yeah, that's that on that. Moving on to this Essence bronzer. I remember I have the shade 40 Chocolate Butter Dream. It looks nice actually. It's a really nice red tone bronzer, as you can see on my forehead. It's giving a little sunburnt. It has a red undertone. So if you do not like bronzers that have a red undertone, definitely stay away from this one, or at least from this shade. So it looks very nice. I like warm tone red tone bronzers, so it works well for me. At first I thought that this shade would be a little dark for me. I thought it would be a little too dark for me, but it worked out fine. I used a nice fluffy bronzer brush and it looks fine. I like it. I'm definitely going to use it up, especially now that it's getting warmer outside. You want to look a little sunburnt, a little sun-kissed. Definitely will be rocking this one. And then the NYX Buttermelt blush, very pigmented, as you saw, and it's shimmery. But if you use, but it looks nice and natural, right? As you can see, the glow on my cheek. And you, again, use a nice big fluffy blush to blend it out, and it looks nice and natural. Also go in with one tap, and then you'll get a nice flush of color, because it is quite pigmented. Thankfully I did watch some reviews from other girls and it saved me. It did save me, but it looks very nice and natural. This is a nice natural shade for brown skin. It looks beautiful. I love it. I'm definitely going to be wearing it again, spring, summer, warm weather. Gives a nice little shimmer. It's just beautiful. And lastly, this Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the shade 105 Flower Blossom. I like it. I'm already familiar with the formula of this lip gloss. When I first applied it, it looked really bright, but blended it out, looks fine. Saved by the brown lip liner. Thank goodness for that. It's actually the plumping one, but this is not the plumping that's like burning. It's just minty, like a minty tingling feeling. It's not like your lips are on fire. No, it's tolerable. It's like a minty feeling, and it goes away like 10 to 15 minutes. You won't feel anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have you tried any of the products that I tried out in this video today? If you have, let me know down in the comment section. If you want to try them, also let me know in the comment section. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.